Right, in this lesson, we're going to be learning about rates, and rates are a big deal in mathematics. A rate is just a comparison of two quantities that are measured in different units. So when you're driving and you hear 60 miles per hour, miles and hours are your two different units and you're comparing their quantities. 500 calories and 4 cookies, you're comparing these two different types of units. 4 ties for $30. These are all examples of rates. Typically, we try to use unit rates. Unit rate is a rate in which one of the numbers being compared is 1 unit. So in the example before, we had 60 miles per 1 hour. That was already a unit rate. Before it was 500 calories and 4 cookies. Well, if we change that to 125 calories per cookie, then we're only talking about 1 cookie, 1 unit. So that's a unit rate. The last one tie for $7.50. It's $7.50 per tie. It was 4 ties for $30. Okay, so when you are trying to find a unit rate, you want to divide. The order in which you divide matters. This is a big deal. So if you want to find, we'll deal with that in these couple examples actually. So the first one says this: you buy 8 boxes of macaroni and cheese for $10. Okay, you don't want to just willy-nilly divide without thinking what you're doing. So find two unit rates, label. So one thing you could do is 8 divided by 10, since we have 8 boxes and $10. But you need to remember, if you're doing that, you're doing boxes divided by dollars. So when we find this, 8 divided by 10 is 0.8. So this means 0.8 boxes per dollar. You divided boxes by dollars, so your rate is in boxes per dollar. If you want to do the other rate, you're going to divide in the other order. So in this case, we could do 10 divided by 8. This time we're doing dollars divided by boxes. So that's going to give us, well, the answer here is 1.25, and that's going to be $1.25 per box. Okay, and that might be a little bit more convenient for a unit rate most of the time when you're finding how much it costs per one item. A lot of times you might see it written like this, $1.25 per box. 0.8 boxes per dollar could be useful too if you have $1 in the store and you want to know, hey, how many boxes can I buy? Well, I can't even get 1 box in that case. Okay. All right, let's do one more. This would be a great one for you to try on your own. So again, there are 3 teams traveling to Knoebel's Park. The Cougars, the Timber Rattlers, and the Cardinals. They need 5 buses. I want you to find 2 unit rates and label. So again, we need to figure out what the units are that we're comparing. Looks like we're looking at teams and buses. So we could do 3 divided by 5. That would give us the teams divided by the buses. So this would be 0.6 or 3/5. This would mean that you get 3/5 of a team per bus. So if you only have one bus, you're going to fit 3/5 of a team on it. Not the whole team's the whole team won't fit, but 3/5 of the team will. Okay, if you're going to do the other order for dividing, then we'll do 5 divided by 3. This time we're doing the buses divided by the teams. So this is 1.6 repeating, or 5/3. This means that, or you could put 1 2/3. 1 2/3 buses per team. So each team is going to need 1 2/3 buses just to fit that team.